Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Spyder system. This is the Spyder hole saw kit. There's another bit that's right here, you can see it, and I've got a bigger one behind me. But for today's test on this 2x4, we're going to be using this guy right here. And the hole saw is with a patented arbor system, allowing you to eject cores from the Spyder, TCT, and bimetal hole saws at the push of a button. And it actually does just that. I think you're going to love what you see. So the way the system is set up, here is the wood bit. You can see it looks a little bit different, wood metal bit. And then here's the TCT system. It's going to come in from underneath. There's a button on the side. You want to push that button. It makes it easier, have a button pushed. It's going to make it easier for it to lock into place. Now we're locked into place. Now we're going to take this drill. Actually, this is the hole saw. We're going to take this guy here. Nothing fancy. We're going to screw him down into place. We're going to set it up, turn them. Now you saw it, it's locked into place. So for today's test, we're going to be using the DeWalt drill. Now I know a lot of you guys know, you should know, actually know by now, I'm a DeWalt user, so it's nothing secret. For 5 years I've been using DeWalt, so forgive me for not using a Milwaukee. But we're going to go ahead and show you how this guy works. And it cuts like butter, but you're going to see what I'm talking about, how it ejects the core. Now, normally, you'd be in here fighting with a screwdriver, right? You'd be in here with a screwdriver, but if you push the button on the TCT system and you pull back, now you can see, here's your core. It comes off, you throw it away. Again, no fighting. Slide that back into place and you're done. Let's cut one more hole. We'll do this with you up close. You can see right here, here's your button. Here's the button. You're going to pull back on that button. Look how simple that is. One-handed. Here's the core. You pull it out. You throw it away. You lock it into place and you're ready to go. Now, again, this is a fantastic system from the guys and gals over at Spyder. You're absolutely going to love it. We'll do one more. We'll do one more for the road. Awesome. You're going to love this. So simple. Again, we'll do it up close. Here's your TCT button. Going to hold the drill. Slides down. Pull this piece out. You're ready to go. Could you imagine doing that on a job site? No more fighting with the screwdriver. It's that fast. The ease, the simplicity of it, this time saving of it. And you can check them out at spyderproducts.com. That's SPYDER products.com. As always, work safe, be good humans. Check out Spyder Products at spyderproducts.com. And be good to each other. We all live on the same planet. We all breathe the same air and walk on the same dirt. Until next time, if you have any comments, you can get a hold of me here on Instagram. Or if you want to email me, you can get a hold of me at hvacreeferguy@gmail.com. Until next time, we'll talk soon.